today I have a new subscription unboxing. It's called Jewlybox, and they had sent this to me and asked me to give them my honest opinion and do a review. And I wanted to let you guys know a little about Jewlybox. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for $19.99. If you use my code Kristin, which is down below, you get 10% off your first order, which is awesome. It's spelled Kristin. And I'm gonna open this box. They do offer another subscription. It's $9.99 a month. It's just earrings. You get 1 pair of earrings, and I think that's awesome. Earrings are very versatile. If you go on their website, they have a great selection. So I'm super excited to show you guys what's in here. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not sure exactly what I've received, but I am super excited. So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box. I haven't opened it as of yet. It has this cute little J on there, which I thought was really cool, and I love this color. It's kind of a light pink. And so let's open it up. See what's inside. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Oh my God, look at that. It matches the bag color. It has this really cute bag, which is awesome because I'm going away on a trip for work on Monday, so I can put all my jewelry in here. So exciting. Okay, so I got a note here. It says, Kristin, hope you love it. Your subscribers can get 10% off with the code Kristin, XOXO Katie. So definitely click on the link below and put my name in, and you get 10% off your first box, which is awesome. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, wow, so cool. All right, so the first item, let's see. Very cool. Okay, so this here is a really long necklace. It's gold because I loved gold, as you could tell. So let's see, this is called the Kristin necklace, Kristin, same as mine. And it is a retail value of $18. And what you can do with this necklace is layer it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on, come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I am super excited to try this on for you guys. Okay guys, so I have the necklace on. I layered it 3 times and look how cute. You can, you know, do a 2-layer style as well, and do like a longer necklace if you'd like, which is really cute as well. Like, that's adorable. It's very dainty, very pretty. It's hard for me to find necklaces like this, so I think this is really awesome. So that's great. So I'm gonna try on the next piece, but I think this is really cool. I'm gonna keep my jewelry in these little baggies so they don't get kinked up or caught on other things. So I thought this was really nice that they provided these as well. So the next item I'm gonna try is in this bag. Looks super cute. All right, so let's see what it is. It is, I'm pulling this up on the email that they had sent me. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's like a light pink, gold, nice piece of jewelry. I absolutely love this. And the clasp right here, so you could pull it tight and loosen it up right from here. Look how simple that is. So you can have it looser, tighter, whatever. So this item, this beautiful bracelet, I'm probably gonna wear this today with my outfit. It is the Calia bracelet. Wow. And this is a retail value of $24. So I'm gonna put this on, and it's super easy to tighten right here. So I just tightened it like this. And wow, look how pretty this is. Oh, I love this. Love this. This is definitely something I can wear to work. Like, I'm looking at it and it's gorgeous. I love this. Wow. Okay. All right. So last but not least is a pair of earrings. So what I'm gonna do here is show you guys the earrings and then put them in my ears. So this is what they look like. How adorable are these? They have sparkles here and they look like kind of like feathers. How cute. Let's try these on. So I'm gonna take out my other earrings that I have in and put this one in. And then let's see what it looks like. Don't mind me, I have to look in my mirror to do this. So cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. Love it. Oh my gosh, I'm putting the other one in. Adorable. So these are, this bracelet is, I'm loving this. Let me put this other one in real quick. So cute. Awesome. So look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I love these. I'm going to wear these next week to work, to my work functions, because these are adorable. These are the Faye earrings, and you can change the middle pieces in and out, like with any stud that you want. So this comes out and this is a separate piece and you can put anything you want in there. So that is super cool and awesome. This box is amazing for $19.99 a month. I highly recommend it. The jewelry is very sophisticated and beautiful. High quality. I absolutely love it. Use my code Kristin, Kristin, to get 10% off your first box. So I am super excited. This brand is great. I can't wait to get my next box and review it for you guys. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I absolutely love this box again. Use my coupon code for 10% off your first order. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.